AirTouch Performance is the best and safest way to install the most popular mobile operating system into your car without having to replace the stock display. You can now download and use any app available on Google Play through your in-car monitor. While AirTouch Performance operates alongside the original multimedia system, you can switch between the built-in interface and the new Android menu at any time by simply pressing the button that is already installed on the steering wheel or center console. AirTouch Performance is designed for the driver. The system is controlled by either Google voice commands or through the car controls, such as buttons, knobs, touchpad, or touchscreen. If the car's stock controls are connected to the display, then you can use them to easily operate AirTouch Performance. Watch YouTube videos. Those who enjoy original video content surely appreciate it. The platform's algorithm helps by selecting only those videos that you may like and are willing to watch. There is also a YouTube Kids app to keep children in the car happy. Watch movies and TV programs online. Install online TV apps and stay informed about all events in sports and politics. Viewing movies or TV series is available both to the driver in passive mode and passengers, for which they will thank you. Entertainment is provided by dozens of online services with their own video libraries, such as Netflix. Play motion pictures or animated movies from an external hard drive. If there is no internet, you can entertain your passengers by playing motion pictures or animated movies from an external hard drive which can be installed into your car's glove box. Drives of up to 1 terabyte of storage space are supported. Driving is leisure now, not monotony anymore. With AirTouch Performance, you can mirror your in-car display to rear monitors. This feature is greatly enjoyed by rear seat passengers, especially children. You can play a motion picture or an animated movie from an external hard drive, play YouTube videos, or turn on digital TV while displaying a navigation app on the front screen. Thus, the driver can concentrate on driving without getting distracted by movies being watched by passengers. You must admit that it's very handy. Use your favorite navigation apps. It's a lot easier to drive with the help of the best modern maps and navigation. Naturally, these apps are now available on mobile devices, so anyone can carry a detailed map with them or get directions at any time. However, not everyone is willing to give up their smartphone during a car trip. AirTouch Performance provides its users with over 100 navigation apps, all available on your in-car display. Use the split screen feature. AirTouch Performance allows you to display any 2 apps on your in-car monitor. Very neat! The most popular combination is a navigation app and a video service. The driver can follow the route while the passengers watch entertaining videos. There is also an additional feature called Picture-in-Picture, which supports positioning a widget of one app over another app, displayed full screen in regular mode. Listen to music and audiobooks. AirTouch Performance makes time fly on the go. Enjoy instant access to millions of tracks from Spotify and Google Play Music. You can also work on your personal development during your everyday trips. Books by your favorite writers read by professional narrators will make you feel at ease in traffic jams. Authors of educational podcasts will keep you company too, speaking on the topics that are specifically interesting for you. Users can choose among any of the following apps: Podcast Republic, Pocket Casts, Castbox, and Google Podcasts, which now too can play your favorite anchors. Choose from 3 million apps. AirTouch Performance supports most of Google Play apps. Games, web browsers, social media, popular messenger apps, and lots of other applications may all be integrated into your car. AirTouch Performance is one of the world's fastest Android-based CarPCs designed to be used together with the original in-car monitor. It is much faster than similar devices of the same price range. Multi-threading in the system is handled by a powerful Cortex processor. No standard system can process so many user commands. Powerful hardware and its components are accompanied by an active cooling system. That's why the working temperature of the device is suitable even for unstable climate conditions. All connectors are designed to be pin-to-pin compatible, which means that the device may be removed without leaving any traces in the vehicle's electronic circuit. The equipment supports 90% of present-day cars with an original display.